Hi everyone. Let us continue the lesson. Christopher. What did we learn yesterday? हमने कल क्या सीखा? वो बच्चे ने ऑफरो को कहा, मुझे नदी पार ले जाएं। मैं इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकता, मुझे अब जाना होगा। Now listen. Ofero gathered the child lovingly in his arms. All right, he said, we will go right now. Don't be afraid of the storm. Ofero ने बच्चे को प्यार से कहा, ठीक है, हम अभी जाएंगे, तूफान से ना डरे. Don't be afraid of the storm. Ofero put the child on his shoulders and waded through the angry river. The icy waves lashed on his body and the winds roared. But he held the child tightly and walked on. At last, they reached the other side. ओफरो ने बच्चे को अपने कंधों पर रखा और नदी के माध्यम से चला गया. लहरें उसके शरीर पर छा गई और हवाएं घूम गई, लेकिन उसने बच्चे को पकड़ रखा था और चल दिया. एट लास्ट वे दूसरी तरफ पहुंच गए. ओफरो सेट द चाइल्ड डाउन वेरी जेंटली. लिटिल वन, ही सेड, शैल आई कम विथ यू? इट इज़ टू डार्क फॉर यू टू गो अलोन. ओफरो ने बच्चे को बहुत धीरे से नीचे बिठाया. उन्होंने कहा, क्या मैं तुम्हारे साथ आऊं? तुम्हारे लिए अकेले जाना बहुत मुश्किल है, अंधेरा है. I will come with you. It is too dark for you to go alone. But the child said nothing. He only smiled at Ofero and walked away. Ofero saw a soft circle of light around the child's head. Now he understood everything. He fell on his knees and said, "Oh God, it was child Christ whom I carried in my shoulders." लेकिन बच्चे ने कुछ नहीं कहा. वो केवल मुस्कुराया और चला गया. ओफरो ने बच्चे के सिर पर प्रकाश का एक चक्र देखा. अब उसे सब समझ आ गया था. वो बैठ गया और कहा, ओ गॉड, ये बच्चा क्राइस्ट था जिसे मैंने अपने कंधों पर ले लिया था. When people came to know of it, they gave Ofero the name Cristoforo. From Cristoforo, we get the English name Christopher. It means bearer of Christ. In time, Christopher came to be known as Saint Christopher. जब लोगों को इसका पता चला तो उन्होंने ओफरो को क्रिस्टोफरो नाम दिया. क्रिस्टोफरो से हमें क्रिस्टोफर नाम मिलता है. इसका मतलब है क्राइस्ट का वाहक. कालांतर में क्रिस्टोफर को सेंट क्रिस्टोफर नाम में जाना जाता है. एंड सो आवर लेसन इज ओवर. नाउ लेट अस लुक एट द मीनिंग्स. द मीनिंग ऑफ सेंट इज ए होली पर्सन. In many religions, saints are people who are believed to be holy. समझ गया? Saint मतलब a holy person. Current, the flow or movement of water. Is that all? Is that the only thing? Hold on to. Keeping hold of something. Waded, walked with an effort through water and mud. Terrible, very dangerous or horrible. Shivering, trembling from cold. Rough, stormy and windy. Gathered, pulled the child towards him and put his arms around the child. Right now, immediately. Angry, stormy. Last, hit with great force. Now I am going to ask some questions. Question number 1. Who was offerer? Who was offerer? Question number 2. How did offerer help the old man? How did offerer help the old man? Question number 3. Why did offerer build a hut near the river? Why did offerer build a hut near the river? Question number 4. What did the child want offerer to do for him? What did the child want offerer to do for him? Question number 5. Why did offerer want the child to come into his hut? Why did offerer want the child to come into his hut? Question number 6. Why did offerer agree to take the child across the river? Why did offerer agree to take the child across the river? Question number 7. How did offerer carry the child across the river? How did offerer carry the child across the river? Question number 8. How did offerer come to be known as Christopher? How did offerer come to be known as Christopher? This is your homework. Find out the answers to these questions. You can also check out the last video and write the remaining hard words in your notebook. Don't forget to write in copywriting book. That's all for now. See you again tomorrow.